Hi, I'm Mike Miller from iMiller. Today I'm going to be highlighting one of the different remote microscopy tools that we have here called the PreciPoint R8. This remote microscope tool is a great solution for frozen applications, for F&A procedures. It can help with hub and spoke model hospitals, has a wide range of application tools. Essentially, it's a microscope that can be controlled remotely. We're going to take you through how that works today. So here again, the PreciPoint R8, it's their newer model. It's redesigned with your 4-slide stage and some really nice, easy, and simple software. This is a unique device with a single objective. Right now we have our 40x on there. It's the most universal and common. You can put a 20x if your needs are a little bit less, but it's very universal and can take a couple different objective options. Everything is built on board, one cable, very simple. So here we're going to go ahead and first load our tray in. Magnetically clips in, easy and simple to use. And then we're going to come to the software. We can do some scanning, but we're going to stick to the live view mode here. So like any device, it's going to first ask us for the overview image. In this case, if I didn't have 4 slides in here, I can easily uncheck or check off which ones I have, making the overview image a little bit quicker. Once you push go, again, it's going to use that little side camera on the side. Just take a few seconds, and it's going to get ahead and go to our overview image. It'll flash a little bit of a brighter light so we can capture some label information and all that good stuff. When it's ready to work, we're just going to start zooming and working on this sample. So you'll see how quickly and easily it is, right? Again, it's going to flash light for the barcodes and the labels, and then we're off and running. So again, with the 4-slide stage, it's going to go to the top slide first by default. And again, here we have a nice overview image. We have a nice simple platform. And all you do with the mouse wheel is scrolling up with the mouse wheel, and we are then going to be ready to work. Now again, the software system doesn't know there's different slides, different focal planes. So we're just going to do a quick autofocus. There's a shortcut with the mouse wheel. It's going to do an autofocus. It's going to then use that as our new focal plane. And once we do that, we're ready to work. So here's when the pathologist can jump in. They can take control, right? So as you zoom in, as you zoom out, you can see it's a little unique in that you can see, okay, we didn't have the objective look at this area yet. As it starts to work its way around, it then fills it in using the objective and the quality imaging instead of the overview image. But the nice thing is with this is you can still use that overview image to kind of find your area. Now, I'm not a pathologist, I apologize, but let's just say this is an area you wanted to zoom in on. Start zooming in, and the system automatically starts then filling in that area. So you can see it's really seamless, really easy to work with. Okay. As you zoom in and zoom out nice and easily, you don't have to wait for a nose piece and an objective to turn. You just constantly can be working. It's always going to give you your magnification readout here in the bottom. Now, sometimes you say, okay, 3.75, again, it's nice. It can show you at any mag. But you may know what certain cells and characteristics are at certain magnifications. So in upper left, we can actually jump to set magnifications all the way up to our 40x here. Okay. Quick things like illumination, autofocus, we showed you that. Let's say there's some samples with depth in it, right? You actually have a manual focus slider here that gives you very simple and easy manual focus. And when we apply this as our focal plane, that's our new focal plane. Very easy, and you can adjust that as you need to, right? We can capture an image. We can do some things like a marker. So I can come here and I can actually drop a marker here. Let's say then I pan around a little bit further, right? I go over here. Okay, there's an area of interest here. I can drop another marker here. The nice thing is when I do have those 2 markers in place, I can then toggle back and forth between them. So I can then just click this little target, boom, brings me back to that area. So great for collaboration. You can mark an area and easily jump back to it. Next thing to jump to here is our additional slides, right? So we were saying, looking at our first slide first, we have a very nice overview image of all the slides that we have on our system right now. So just by clicking on the next slide, again, zooming in, doing a quick autofocus, we're then ready to work on our next slide. So it's quick, easy, swapping between both, or all 4 of the slides as you need to there. Again, just a quick autofocus and we're off and running. There we go. I also have here a nice smear, so non-cover slip slide. There's some discussions about for cytology applications using systems that are non-cover slip or slides that are non-cover slipped on these systems. So here I can show you cover slipped or not. We're going to get great resolution out of this device. Now again, this is in a much different focal plane, so it's finding its focus. Do it one more time, and boom, we're going to be good. So when you do a big jump, a couple autofocuses may be needed, but here we go. We're then quickly and easily viewing and panning around our slide. We can go all the way up to our 40x, and again, we can come here. And this is really where this shines, is manual focus, allowing you to really focus up and down through your cells and applying that to your new focus. So again, really seamless, easy, jumping around, having it move for you, doing quick autofocus. There's a bunch of hotkeys, really nice solution. So again, that's a quick overview of the PreciPoint R8. We again talked about some scanning, so I'll just show you really quickly the scanning platform. Again, it's a really cool tool. It's going to focus map, auto detect all of your slides or all of your tissue, giving you a full workflow to go ahead and adjust things, do anything you would want like a typical slide scanner can do, all within the same platform. Hey, I'm Mike Miller from Miller Microscopes. Thanks for your time to watch this video. Hopefully you learned a little bit. We look forward to talking to you for some demos or discussions about the PreciPoint R8.